When I listen to two people talking about finance, what I often see missing is the context. कि आप इस बारे में बात कर क्यों रहे हो, इसके थ्रू आपका पर्पस क्या है, वो हमेशा मिसिंग होता है. What are they driving at? What is the basic problem in their life that they are trying to solve with this? And these questions are always there, but because of the kind of explosion of information and content and everything, I think all those problems have gotten amplified.
But the mental tiredness और जो turmoil से जाते हैं, I think वो तो काफी आम ही हो गया अभी. Like if you, because whenever you go at every parties, the discussion is insane. Everywhere you go, finance and now geopolitics are so common. But मुझको लगता है कि they are not even adding a sense of satisfaction or more positive in somebody's life. Yet we are doing it continuously, right?
So again and again, and that's why this podcast actually. When I listen to two people talking about finance, what I often see missing is the context. कि आप इस बारे में बात कर क्यों रहे हो, इसके थ्रू आपका पर्पस क्या है, वो हमेशा मिसिंग होता है. And I think that is why we wanted to talk about this and put that question in people's mind that whatever they are doing, what are they driving at? What is the basic problem in their life that they are trying to solve with this?
So was it always the case before social media happened?
Yes. So I think post-COVID everything has just gotten amplified. That's it. It's not that these things did not exist. They are always there. And these questions are always there. But because of the kind of explosion of information and content and everything, I think all those problems have gotten amplified. All those concerns have gotten amplified. And as I said, I think the biggest trouble today is because you are seeking instant gratification. Our ability to think long term, to think hard, to think strategically is missing. And we'll have to do a lot of work in putting that in place before we can start enjoying, that quick bites which comes here and there.
But actually, it sounds too much. मुझको लगता है when we talk to investors, nobody cares about it. Everybody thinks that यार सब सही हो रहा है, बढ़िया ही हो रहा है, अच्छा ही हो रहा है, थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाता है, थोड़ा नीचे जाता है, एक आधा प्रोडक्ट ले लेते हैं, एक आधा प्रोडक्ट खराब होता है. ये ऐसा भी करेंगे तो हो जाएगा. What do you think?
If that is solving their problem, first of all, as I said, कि आप कर क्यों रहे हो वो बता दो. अगर आप एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए कर रहे हो, राइट, तो आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो रहा है. So if a lot of people who are in let's say F&O, right, if they are finding cheap entertainment through it, I have no problem. करो आप.
Just don't burn your money with it.
हाँ, मतलब just don't take it too seriously ना. Enjoy. Do it. It gives you very good engagement in life. You are suddenly very much interested in everything which is going around the world. It gives you purpose. It gives you, you are glued to the screen, So that element is there, right? It's like, it's a very engaging movie, right? 2-3 घंटे का मूवी देखने का हम 100-200 रुपए देते हैं ना, 300 रुपए देते हैं, राइट? ये मूवी आपको पूरा 24 घंटे बिजी रख रहा है
और सब इमोशन से लेके
सारे इमोशन से लेके जा रहा है. तो उसके लिए अगर आप थोड़ा पे कर रहे हो तो कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. As long as you are clear about what you are paying and how much you are paying.
And as long as you know that it's a game.
As long as you know that you are here to seek adventure.